2008. Odbranu disertacije. Ja sam malo nervozan.
Uzmi malo ovo pre nego se
Laki je malo nervozan.
I ja. Znači, uzet ću ja umesto tebe.
Jules, tako zvana.
Šalju se.
Ono se feminiziraš sad.
To je. Ja držim.
Received his Bachelor of Science degree in chemistry from the University of Belgrade in 1992. In 1993, he took a position as a research and teaching assistant at the University of Belgrade, but that apparently didn't pay very well. So at that time, he started doing some contract synthesis, and his contract synthesis morphed over a period of a few years into a chemical company that he ran and is still operating today in Serbia, and has produced over 40 products of high purity organic and inorganic compounds. In 2003, Dragan received his master's degree also from the University of Belgrade in chemistry. Around about 2000 or 2001, I got an email from this guy from Serbia seeking, graduate student experience, looking for a place for graduate school, and I thought, wow, I really must be getting an international reputation. I got this email all the way from Serbia. Well, I later found out that it was actually an accident that I got his email with his CV attached to it. It was a virus that on his cousin's computer that sent me Dragan's CV. That it was a lucky accident for me. It was sent to me and about 100 other people, I suppose. But I responded, so anyways. Every professor, when they take on a student, they hope that one day their student will become their colleague. And I can say that for quite some time, I've really considered Dragan to be my colleague. And hopefully today, if his committee finds him worthy, we're going to make that official. So I will let Dragan present the results of his research.
Dragane, bolje još jedno druga.
Thank you, Dr. Ryan, for kind introduction. I'm probably one of just few people in the world that benefited from viruses. And that's true. Virus sent my resume to Dr. Ryan, and she responded. That's how I'm here. Thank you all for honoring my dissertation seminar with your presence. Today I will talk about research that has been done in a little bit less than 5 years. I'm here, and the title is Synthesis as analog of panic acid. Major professor is Dr. Kathleen Ryan, and all the work is done here at FAU. Today I will talk about inotropic glutamate receptors. I'll remind you about the role of these receptors and the kinase receptor, which is one of them. Then we will see about kinase analogs and kinase agonists and ASA analogs of these molecules, and why are they interesting with research. 1,3-dipolar cycle addition will be examined in process of synthesis of ASA analogs of panic acid. We will see region selectivity and relative stereochemistry of one particular reaction that we initially thought would be useful for reaching ASA analogs of panic acid. And then in white text are three main accomplishments that we believe we achieved in this research. And the first one is getting to know that dipolar cycle addition of TMS diazomethane is a reversible reaction Second one is that we can successfully synthesize base analogs of organic acid using dipolar cycle additions. And finally, we will see that biological evaluation of these compounds is positive, meaning that they work. So the whole synthetic work was not in vain. I have to say that this first topic was, again, an accident, a lucky one. We didn't look for reversibility of this reaction. We didn't ask for it, and we didn't, to be quite honest, even need it. We wanted that reaction to be straightforward, one direction, and nice, but it turns out to be quite complicated. So let's start. In human brain, there is about 100 billion cells and about 1,000 times more connections between these cells.